file sharing option in Emacs Player. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can share the files in Emacs Player. So if you don't have Emacs Player in your device, then you can simply go on the Google Play Store. On the top search bar, you can simply search for Emacs Player and install it. If it is already installed and if there is any update option available, then you can simply update it if the option is available. If not, then you can simply open your Emacs Player the way you do. And now after you do it, you can see there is the option of share on the top bar as a first option. When you tap on it, you can simply see the option of receive or send. So the person that also has Emacs Player can simply send you, and you can receive the files as well. And you can also send the files from Emacs Player. Just tap on the send button and you can simply send anything from here. You can also do this on PC, tablet, iOS and Geo as well. So yes, this is how you can do it from your Emacs Player. When you tap on the add button, you can tap share link and also share APK via WhatsApp. You can share it on WhatsApp as well, from Bluetooth as well, and you can also share the link. So this is a new feature of Emacs Player that you can use for your own benefit. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.